thank you for watching my channel on phase envelopes. In this short video, I want to introduce you to my phase envelopes in 3 dimensions. Okay, so for this I am using a free software called GrabCAD Print. Basically, this is a software from a 3D printing vendor, where you can basically prepare your 3D models and submit them for printing. And they're these highly specialized 3D printers in which you can actually print multicolors and with transparencies, and this is like one of the most sophisticated 3D printers nowadays. So, and for that, basically, I'm going to showcase my favorite fluid model. This is it's a Ternary. You are already, if you have watched my channel in the past, you are familiar with this 2D phase envelope already, in which one for this Ternary mixture we have a two critical points on the edge of the envelope, and we also have a 3-phase region here, which I call a spearhead. It looks like a spearhead, right? Spearhead, and there is another critical point right at the tip of the spearhead. So, and basically, you can see how again we go from 100% gas here to going to the critical point and going to 100% liquid, coming to a secondary critical point here, where we start now going through liquid region, basically here from this point onwards, shooting upwards. Basically, we have a liquid. So basically in this part of the phase envelope, green means increasing gas mole fraction, right, coming all the way to 100%, and red is 100% liquid, right? But in this part of the envelope, basically green is the mole fraction of one of the liquid phases, right? Okay, so just wanted to clarify that. And again, since this is a 3D model, we can now move it around and show you basically how it looks, in different, from different angles. You see basically the very nice, valley here coming all the way down to the minimum liquid percentage, right? If you look it from behind, from the bottom up, you see how nice. You see the geography, basically, the topography of this phase envelope. This is fascinating to me. Basically, you can even see there is regions where you have that very minimum, where basically we're going all the way to 0% gas. But then here we have some amount of gas, some amount of liquid, and we also have that, at the very low temperatures and pressure, where this three-phase region forms. And in this in the 3-phase region, basically, we cannot see the full details on a 3-dimensional, in a 3-dimensional envelope. We cannot see. We can only display basically 2 of the phases, right? That's why I'm not paying much attention to basically how that going, it varies here inside. But it's nice to basically see that we have this little region here where 2 liquid phases are formed in addition to the gas phase. And you can also see how basically the critical points are inflexion points in the pressure, temperature, and composition space, right? You see that basically here we have the concavity changes right at the critical point. So this is one of the nice things that basically you cannot visualize on a 2D, on a 2D map or on a 2D phase envelope. And the other thing that I really like from this 3D printing application is that you can give any finish. Like in this case, I'm giving it a glossy finish, right? You see basically those how the lights reflect in the body of the 3D phase envelope. So thank you very much for watching. I don't want to make this video any longer, so thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye bye.